Hi, sometimes we get a scenarios wherein we have to split down a string to an array. So based upon the delimiter, like as you could see, there could be scenarios wherein we want to split the string based upon the spaces, or in case if you want to split with hyphens, or maybe a string separated email IDs where we want to have them collected into an array so that we can do an for each loop clause. So probably the simple example could be like this. Now let's see how we can have them converted using Power Automate. Now I'm in Power Automate. I'm going to drop a new action. Let me initialize the variable where string. I'm taking up my string from here and initializing as a string. Now just observe me from here. I'm taking compose and observe the expression which I'm about to write. I'm going to expression tab. I'm going to use split function. So as you could see, split function wants an input string and a separator. So I'm going to dynamic content. I'm going to pass as a my variable as a string, and the separator is going to be spaces in our scenario. I'm going to click on OK. So once the expression is fine, you should be able to see this our expression what is written. It is if it is valid. I'm going to now save it and test it out. Run the flow. Done. So once flow is run successful, you could see it has run successfully. Let me show you the output. So here you should be able to see the whole string has been now separated into an array. So in case if you want to try out for another string, let us suppose I have the list of the email IDs. In initialize variables, I'm breaking down to the string, and instead of my separator, instead of space, I'm going to give semicolon. So I gave it here a semicolon so that I can break down these email IDs. Let me save the flow, test it out again. Now once the flow is run is successful, here you should be able to see the list of the email IDs. I got an empty array in the last because I had one more semicolon in the last. So effectively we can plan it. Thank you.